Hi, friends. Welcome. Miss Walker here, and of course, Monkey the mathematician. And we are here today to do Module 2, Lesson 4, Add to Subtract. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and we will start right away with our I can statement. So I want you guys to say this. Repeat it after me. Say, I can use addition to solve a subtraction problem. And I'll say it one more time and you can say it with me. Say, I can use addition to solve a subtraction problem. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Get mine. All right. So starting with this first problem, it says Helena has 8 oranges. 5 are in a bag. The rest are in a bowl. How many oranges are in a bowl? So what am I going to say? Yes, we're going to circle the numbers. What are the numbers? If you said 8 and 5, you are right on, my friend. 8 and 5. So it says she has 8 oranges, 5 are in a bag, and the rest are in a bowl. So we know how many oranges are in the bowl. We're underlining the question, and the rest of them are in a bowl. So I'm going to put a box around that. And I know that they're in a bowl. So we have to figure out the difference. So, oops, you can't see because my underline was a little bit too far down. So we'll underline that. There we go. So 8 minus 5 equals, we have to figure it out. So it says, how can you show the problem as addition? So boys and girls, what we can do is, I know visual pictures really help me. So I know we have a bag. This will be my bag. And we have a bowl. A bag and a bowl. And we know that 5 oranges are in the bag. So let's draw 5 oranges in the bag. We might as well make them orange. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 oranges are in the bag. The rest are in the bowl. Well, we don't know how many are in the bowl. How can we figure this out? Wait a minute, friends. How many oranges are there all together? If you said 8, that's correct. There are 8 oranges all together. So we know that 5 are in the bag. We don't know how many are in the bowl, but we know that there are 8. We can use addition to solve this problem. So, we can use these pictures that we've drawn to show there are 5 oranges in the bag and the other oranges are in the bowl. We know that there's going to be 8 altogether. So what we can do is we can count until we get to 8. So we have 5. Can you count with me? Let's put some in the bowl. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. Great job. Friends, how many oranges are in the bowl? 3, that's right. So it says, how can you write an addition equation to help you solve the problem? Well, we know that there were 5. How many oranges in the bag? 5, that's right. And how many oranges in the bowl? How many did we have to put in there to get to our total? 3, that's right. And then how many oranges were there all together? 8, correct. So 8 minus 5 equals, well, friends, how many were in the bowl? That was the rest. Remember, that's what the problem said. So 8 minus 5 equals, so this is 8. All together. That's 8 oranges. And if we take away 5, how many do we have left? If you said 3, that's correct. There are 3 oranges in the bowl. Turn and talk. It says, how did adding help you subtract 8 minus 5? Explain. You can even pause and share with your homeschool teacher while Monkey shares with me. Okay, awesome. Yes. Great. Okay, so Monkey was saying, this is what he did. He said, the number, so the question is, how did adding help you subtract 8 minus 5? He said that the number that he added to 5 to make 8 is the same as the difference of 8 minus 5. So he said that 8 minus 5 right here, to figure that out, that number that he added to 5 is the same as the difference of 8 minus 5. So when he was on 5, trying to get to 8, and he figured out it was 3, he said that number 3 is the same as the difference 8 minus 5. Wow, way to go. That was a great explanation. So let's move on to the next page right here. We're now on page 59. Awesome, 59. Here we go. It says, Trina writes 10 postcards. 6 are in the mail. The rest are on her desk. How many postcards are on her desk? Use addition to subtract. Oh, I love it, friends. If you're already circling your numbers, you are on it. We're circling the 10 that she wrote and the 6 that are in the mail. And the rest are on her desk. That's important. The rest of them are on her desk. How many postcards are on her desk? And I made it that sometimes my drawing is a little bit too much and you can't see, so I tried to redo it. Okay, so it says use addition to subtract 10 minus 6. So if I have 6, how many more to make 10? So friends, they gave us 6 right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6, and that represents the 6 that are in the mail. We have to count on to make 10 to figure out how many are on her desk. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Now we know that there's 10 total, and we counted here 6, and then 4 more gives us 10. So we know that 6 plus what? If you said 4, that's correct. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now it says use the addition fact to help subtract. What addition fact? The one that we just wrote right up here. We're going to use this to help us. So if we know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, remember, because there were 6 right here, right? 6 right here. And we know that there are 4 right here. And we know that that equals 10. We need to now solve. So 10 minus 6 equals, so if you have 10, and look, they crossed out 6, how many do we have left? If you said 4, that's correct. Awesome. How many postcards are on her desk? Yes, if you said 4, way to go. High five. What's that, Monkey? Oh, Monkey said he's so proud of you guys that you're doing such a great job, mathematicians. Whoa, he's jumping on my back. 2, 3, woohoo. See you guys next time. Way to go. Keep up the great work.